YouTube fam, welcome back to another video. It's Phoenix, the Forex King, coming back at you. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in for another video. So I'm going to get right into it. This is the first video that I'm recording here today, March 2026. It's really the 11th, but technically yesterday's trading day. But I haven't gone anywhere. I'm still here, still grinding, still trading. Nothing has changed. So if you followed me the first two or seen any videos that I put out the first 2 months of the year, I'm going with like a word of the month type of deal just to kind of keep me laser focused on what we got going on, right? So the word of this month is discipline. Discipline, 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 discipline. I almost forgot. No lie. I've only had like 4 trades this month just because I traded on the second. I didn't trade at all last week from Tuesday to Friday, and then a couple trades this week. So still early in the month. I'm getting my feet wet. Just again, I've just been busy with work and other things, so I'm getting back into it. So if you notice, if you've been keeping up, so this is an evaluation account just because I blew some of my previous accounts. Again, if you're new to my videos, so what's been happening is I'm just really just trying to pass this evaluation with Funded Trader Plus. It's a funded traded account. So the goal is to pass this evaluation as soon as possible so I can get back into the green and then get my first payout for this year, 2026. I blew the accounts, basically my fault, but honestly, I feel great and I feel like I'm back. Matter of fact, I know I'm back. So I'm really recording this video for myself, get back into rhythm, but again, also just so I haven't lost focus. I don't want, again, content is not the focus. I have no intentions of being anyone's guru or to pretend to be anything that I'm not. I'm really, again, like I say it all the time, that I'm just literally just documenting my journey, and through a series of ups and downs, where I'm at where I'm at, and this is where we at today. So I also wanted to do a quick summary. Today was a big day for me just because most of last month I've been fighting to get back above, get back in the green. I was in drawdown, not by much, like a couple $100, but the losses were huge losses, like astronomical losses, like crazy losses, like 253. This, I'll admit, this one was a new one just because I actually increased the volume, as you can see here, to 1.5. So I was just, again, it was an adjustment to see the volume that high. I don't remember trading with such high volume before with Funded Trader Plus. Even when I had the 25K account, I was always at like a 1. So, and I was comfortable with it too, to be honest. But that's kind of what happened. This was just, I just wasn't used to the volume and I wasn't disciplined. Call it what it is, right? Had some other big ones, 81, 61. Like I can stomach those. The 119, that was a killer because that was right after a huge win that day. It was in February. So every time I made like a big win, or I was catching a rhythm or stride, like I give majority of the wins back. So that's kind of why I'm at where I'm at now. Like when I first started the account, you can see fairly good. Um, right, I was catching a rhythm, then I hit this huge loss. Okay, not bad, not bad. Then another huge loss, and then big win. Got back in the green, got cocky, got a little conceited, then gave almost 75% of it back. And then I've just been battling, trying to just get back into a rhythm and get my feet back under me. Then obviously I caught a little rhythm here. Started catching the rhythm. Good win here. Got cocky again, increased volume, and this was really because of lack of discipline. I remember this entry, I should have never gone into this trade. And then here we are again, we're just getting back to the swing of things, and today was a pretty solid win. Like honestly, today's win was just so timely. I actually took 2 trades today. This $18 trade here, playing was this real quick sell right here. I was up. I think the highest the trade was about like $75, and then when it started to pull back, I said, "Up, time to get out." And I'm glad I did because you saw what happened, and I pretty much called it for the day. But one thing led to another, and I got back in front of the charts again because I knew the thing was gonna go down, and I saw this setup here, and I saw this candle here, and I got it on the next one, and I'm glad I did. And honestly, there wasn't no moves. I can't even tell you why it dropped, nor do I care. But this thing dropped. It was a beautiful drop. I hit 200. I said, all right, I'm out. I don't care what happens. Bye. And I'm glad I did. I mean, this candle dropped, I mean, decent size, and went up, and you see where it's at now. I also used MT4 to kind of analyze, but while I was in the trade, I was more focused on the trading platform than I was on MT4. Had I seen this, I mean, even then, I mean, this was pretty good. It was just a little bit. The reason why I say that is because when I was trading, I was really nervous, and I almost jumped out just because I went negative almost instantly, even though I thought I waited long enough. But I just waited. I went into the trade too early during the 5-minute session. If you don't know, I scalped the US 30. So I held on, fortunately, and it was a great reward. Again, for being disciplined, I understood those levels. And again, I'm using this because this is the actual platform for Funded Trader Plus. And this is what happened. So really, this video is just to keep me in the game. Again, another, I guess you could say, vlog, if you will. Just on my trades. I haven't gone anywhere. I'm still pushing, still grinding, staying focused. But more importantly, again, I want to make sure that if you are watching my videos, I'm not going anywhere. As a matter of fact, I'm back. I'm in the swing of things. Everything feels phenomenal. I'm back in my game. This month, the whole focus is really linear. Stay disciplined, pass this challenge, so that way it's a one-step challenge. I don't do two-step challenge. First of all, I don't like challenges, period. But I'll admit money was a little funny, so I went for a quick challenge. It was just cheaper. It's what it is, what it is. That's it. So it's I think all of us go through this. All traders go through a stage where you feel like, man, can I trade? And it's really not about if you can trade or not. It's just about being consistent and just doing what you know you need to do. So that's really why I started the word of the month every month starting in this year 2026. So this month is really simple. Discipline. Stay disciplined. Stay focused on the linear goal past this evaluation phase, and then get my first payout for 2026, and then let the momentum carry me for the rest of the year. Really just that simple. But huge day, big day, really excited. Got me back above into the green, and then now just to be disciplined and then just continue to make it happen. But really that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys, man. So I say to everyone, you guys, if you see my videos, I say it all the time. Remember, if you're trading, be careful, stay true, stay disciplined. If you're not trading, same thing, stay true, stay disciplined, because you have to remember the markets don't care about you, only you care about you. So again, appreciate you tuning in. Quick video, a little bit of a ramble session, but just know that I'm here. I ain't going anywhere. If you're locked in with me, March, the word of the month is discipline, so stay disciplined, and let's make this month the best month ever. Forex King out.